I have wrapped up in here what I made last night. So let's see if it actually came out any good. Well, here's what I got. Yeah, I pretty much burnt those. Oh, I scared the sheep. Good morning, YouTube. We got in a camp late last night. It's actually morning right now. You can kind of see the sunset behind me, or sunrise behind me. We're gonna get some breakfast going and get our day going. And you want to stay tuned for that because we got some cool adventures and some things we're gonna go see today. Yeah, look at that little view we have right straight out of camp. That's pretty cool. We got some breakfast going. I've already got it cooked. It's just we're having a simple breakfast burrito. But we are, it's just kind of our meal. We're on our way down to go see a pretty cool spot of mine that I like to see the fall colors this time of year. So we're pulling down to the river. You can see it right there. Oh yeah, look how pretty all this is. I scared the sheep. What a crazy sight they had to take this train over. Check this out. So you got your mountains, and the camera never does it justice, but that is insanely far down. Pretty epic spot, don't you think? I mean, I know where to find the good spots, trust me. Be sure to like and subscribe. So we just did a little bit of four-wheeling. We got to this little spot, and then it sounds like, oh yeah, it sounds like the creek's literally right here. So look at this tree. Look at, isn't that cool? But oh yeah, got a nice little creek spot right here. Oh man, what a spot to hang out. We're gonna actually set up and do, man, if I was a little younger, I would be climbing up that tree. Look at that tree. That's pretty cool. Wow. So I just saw a thing right here, or see if you guys can read that. But these are apple trees. That's pretty cool. So we made it back to camp. We got a little special something I'm trying with the campfire pit. I don't know if it's gonna come out good or not. I actually got it in here. I'm not gonna show you just yet. Well, here's what I got. Yeah, I pretty much burnt those to all hell, basically. They, Hunter, the... Oh, that side ain't bad.
And let's see if this one's any better. Oh, a little better, but yeah, I burnt them pretty bad. Oh, they're still hot, but they don't taste burnt. So I'll try it again, see if I can do a little better. So we just made some simple fajitas for dinner tonight, as you can see right here. It's just before sunset, but we're gonna enjoy this, and we're gonna make our second attempt at these chocolate chip cookies. So you're gonna stay tuned for that. All right, so I'm gonna try these cookies one more time. So what I'm gonna do is I have been letting my skillet cook for probably a good 10 minutes, just get it really hot. So I think what's going on is the fire that's behind me is getting it too hot. So as you can see, I'm just gonna. Okay, so we got that squared away. We're gonna put 2 cookies on there. So you can see I got just some squares starting. You can see it's actually already starting to melt down. So I think what I'm gonna do, you can kind of see it there. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let that cool down a little bit and try flipping them because they're actually look like that they might start be burning a little bit. So I think I'm gonna let it cool, flip it, and then cook the other half. And I think we'll be okay. All right, so we're gonna try flipping this. Ooh, Jesus. Ah, well, I burnt the back side of that. So I think what I'm gonna do, this just dawned on me. I still got 4 pieces of cookie left. I think what I'm gonna do, instead of doing the butter, I'm gonna do them in 2 pieces. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smash them down. So you can see I got them a little thinner. No butter this time. I think the butter might be causing me some issue. But let me throw them on the barbecue behind me and see what we get. We're just crawling out of the camper. I don't know if you can see behind me the colors. We have a storm brewing up over here behind me. Better way to start the day. Look at that. Fall is the best time because you get the. Oh, we got a rainbow. There is a rainbow. The camera is picking it up. It's right there. Man, that was a heck of a view to see this morning with the sunrise. I'm gonna get some breakfast going. We're gonna probably do a little bit of some hiking straight out of camp. All right, so we're out on the trail. We haven't gotten too far into it, maybe like a quarter of a mile. So we're on our way to where we were yesterday. We're taking another trail in. This is an old homestead right here. You can kind of see how the brick is kind of stacked up. But oh, look at this. That big old willow. I mean, look at all the rock croppings and with the fall colors. Let me show you what I brought on this trip. This would be kind of, let's see, let's see what this looks like. I haven't looked at it since last night. I have wrapped up in here what I made last night. So let's see if it actually came out any good or not. So I'm gonna set this down over here. So I made some chocolate chip cookies. As you can see, they're not too bad. They came out pretty good for the most part. Let's see how they taste. Not bad. It took me 3 tries to make these chocolate chip cookies, by the way. All right, so there you had it. Our cookie, it wasn't too bad. It made it through our trip, so that's good. I have a lot to learn to cook with
a skillet and how to make a cookie. But if you want to leave a comment or subscribe or let me know on how I can make it better or try some different things for future, let me know and I'm more than happy to revisit this and try it again. So we made it back to camp after our little hike. Weather's been pretty good. It's been windy, but it's actually kind of turning to be a good afternoon. We're gonna pack up and get ready to hit the road to head home. I packed up some of the stuff already this morning, so it's really just solar panel and hook up and go. But I want to thank you guys for watching and staying through the whole video. If you've made it this far, please like and subscribe. I am trying to get videos out once a week, maybe twice a week, and every little bit of support from you guys helps me grow the channel and figure out what direction I still kind of want to go. I am focusing on outdoor and kind of outdoor cooking stuff, but I will see you guys in the next video.